Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 401, Technical Analysis for Crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, you hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links in the description, guys. So there's a link to the amazing articles that we cover here on this awesome stream. Now, with that said, as you're well aware, I'm finishing setting up here on basically just setting up the alerts that we are live for y'all to be notified and for you to be able to join us here at the State of Crypto. Right. So I know schedule has been off a little bit the last couple days. Right. Times haven't been kept 100%. It's just been a hell of a couple days, to be fair, honest there. But everything's good though. On that note, let's figure out what's going on with crypto. There we go. So let's move on and check out the market cap. What's going on with market cap? Yesterday we had a spinning top. That's good, man. We managed to hold on and stay above that 1618 on the retrace, on the Fibonacci retrace, right? That yellow line that we have, which is sitting at 1.61. Sorry, at 437.18 billion dollars. Right, we're above that. We're sitting at 442.05 billion dollars, which is really, really good. Why this track play? Let's play that. Sorry about that. Oh, sounds good. Anyways, so we're above, right? So yesterday we managed to gain 0.30%. Today gaining 0.75%, approximately $3.30 billion coming into the cryptos here. And that is really, really cool, man, because we're getting a lot more money flowing in, and that's helping some of the coins pump up a little bit more. Do I like that? Not 100%, because if we manage to go higher, I'm going to be coming lower. You might also be lower on the RSI. We might create some of that bearish divergence on the shorter time scale, right? On the shorter time frame within the same island, and then we might be looking for another breakdown from there. So unless we get a massive impulse to the upside, might not be good, right? Anyways, neutral at 69.71 on that RSI. What's happening with Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance at 64.53% of market cap. Yesterday, Bitcoin lost dominance 0.41%. Today it's losing 0.25%, and it's sitting at $15,391.22. Now we're having a nice green candle right now, bullishly engulfing the previous one. Although I wouldn't bank this candle to be that strong. We did bullishly pull back up, and that's good, right? Trying to stay above that blue line that we had for that triangle that we're making, right? I mean, it was the line I drew went back here when this started to happen, or this day, and we kept it for a day or two, and then we just lost it, right? So that's fine. Yesterday we lost 0.20%. Not a lot, just $30. Today we're gaining $73.22, right? Sitting bought still at 71.59. I don't like this. I really want this to cool off a little bit more. There's a way that we can reset this, right? One of them is we just keep on moving sideways, and this will slowly come back in. But yeah, we want this to be reset. We want this to be running and still move forward with Bitcoin, right? So go to the 4-hour chart. What's happening with the fear and greed, though? Still, extreme greed, right? Hasn't moved much. Again, price of Bitcoin also hasn't moved much. So where are we at? Higher, lower, and lower. We had the bearish divergence. We moved down, found support, took a bounce. Staying above the 20, right? We briefly broke below 20 at 6 in the morning today. Managed to regain it, and that's fine. High to low, still negative. High to low. Everything's good. Nothing bearish going on. Nothing bullish besides this all hidden bullish. What we had here was medium or strong bearish. I can't remember what we had. Let's see. Closed 15.767, 15.8. So slightly more. We had strong bearish. So moved down on that. Found support. Took a bounce. Right. Held support at where we were expecting at 14,990. Beautiful. Taking the bounce. Trying to move higher. All things good there. Neutral. They're 55.05 on the RSI, so not a lot happening yesterday, right? Or today, Monday. So Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bearish divergence, right? That's what we called. We moved down on that strong bearish. Actually, the downside. Took a bounce. Phase of 20, rejected, got above the 20, managed to stay above the 20 briefly. Now, this is where it gets a little bit finicky because we got to zoom in a lot, and the data doesn't look as clear or as good as it should, right? So we got a 52, 58, 52, 20. You know, here we're coming in slightly lower. Here we're going slightly higher. Dude, it's just very tiny. So let's say we had some hidden bearish. And that moved us down, right? Again, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point. Nothing bullish here. Finding support at a smaller fib node that we trace, right? For this movement where we're trying to recover to 100%, which is fine. So besides that, you know, the smaller fibs, we're bouncing at that 236. At 15,211, or yeah, that's where we took a bounce. So we're trying to get that above that 20. That's good. Again, we don't have a lot going on here. Low, high, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative. Not a lot going on with the Bitcoin. Anyways, we're taking that small movement to the upside. Like I said, right, and I called it back here. I said, look, we're gonna get pullback, and then we got to start consolidating. We're calling for pullback. We got some micro pullback, and then push back out, but that's fine. We really got pulled back, created that, and then we're consolidating. That's what we're doing with Bitcoin, right? We're just sideways motion. That's how we can summarize this. Could we say that we're doing some kind of support here? Maybe, dude. Maybe we could look for support here, right? Let's pinpoint this a little bit better. There we go, right? Look, touch, and touch. So this could be a trend line of support, right? I'll switch this to a different color, one that we don't use often. We'll make it green, I guess, for this. But we can say we're trying to bounce and find support there on the 1 hour chart. Let's anchor this to the 1 hour. That's great. Anyways, if you're watching, hit that like button, that sub. If you're new to the stream, definitely sub. Anyways, right, we can confirm by this touch that we got at 9 in the morning today. Once, twice, 3 times. Again, beautiful. Do you have something else going on here? Yeah, let's go over here to this other chart. On the daily, again, we went parabolic. It's fine, you know, taking this move, support, and right now we're opening right here, man, and we're trying to go up. So let's see if we can manage to still go up here. Don't want to move these too much, but here we still have the touch point and that touch point there and touch points, right? So far it's good. Again, waiting for this to play out. It's been the 1 hour. Weird that this blue line didn't show. I thought I had it for the show here, but it's not. Anyways, we have nice support in Bitcoin. Neutral at 55.05 on the hour side. That's good. Nothing else to call, really. Right? We don't have a lot to call here. From here to here, we're going higher. More positive momentum. Higher on the hour side. All things are good, right? So on that note, let's go check out Ethereum, man. Ethereum played really good yesterday. Managed to go up more than Bitcoin. Today's still going up. I'm gonna check this out. We're calling for a pennant, right? Consolidation. We drew this. We said, look, this is what we could be looking for in Ethereum. This from shorter time scale, the 1 hour. I forgot to anchor it there. So it's from the 1 hour. Just sending stuff to its time frame real quick. That way we're gonna have nice, clean charts to look at. Anyways, bring the pennants to the upside. That's good. We should be expecting a measure of maybe, but I doubt it right now with what we're seeing with Bitcoin. But anyways, we're moving up. That's great. Are we doing something? Yeah, very slightly though right now, and it's starting to build up though. Right, so we're just moving up right now, short on the daily, and as you can tell, we're coming in from a high to a lower point. Right, this can go and going higher, and this can go on climbing. It's gonna be great. Right now we have this, and we just gotta acknowledge it for what it is, and we have strong bearish divergence. Now we would also have it here against the MACD, but this is tiny though. This is 5.57 and this is 5.42. It's just very, very small. That move, it's tiny again. This pumping up slightly more would get rid of this. You know, we will no longer have bearish divergence. But right now we have it. We just got to talk about it for what it is, and then just be mindful that we could start to move down on that. Let's go to the 4-hour Ethereum. On the 4-hour Ethereum, right? High, low, positive is positive, high, there's a low point. Here we haven't gone higher. Now, if this manages to go higher, we're going to be here, then we're going here to a small positive momentum, and then lower on the other side as well. And we could be looking for trouble. Now, we do have something here on the 4-hour chart. Had the hidden bullish. That's what getting us to rally. That's good. We got above the 20, taking a balance. Awesome. Now we're coming in higher. So what we're developing right now, it's I think right now, I'm just going to have to confirm, but it looks like, at least on the simple side, it looks like we might have some bearish divergence. What is this? 63.57, and this is 61. So yes, high. It's a lower high. Strong bearish divergence starting to develop against the RSI. Again, this can get rid of. We can get rid of this extremely easy by Ethereum just pumping a little bit more. I'll raise the RSI, and we'll get rid of that. So if we pump a little bit more, we're going to get rid of the bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence against the RSI. We might start creating it against the MACD, right? Because we're going to go higher than this, and then we're going to become from positive to negative. We're going to have bearish divergence forming. So getting rid of it against the RSI will just make it happen against the MACD. So we're going to still have it, just in a different place. On that note, that's all that we have here. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What's happening on the 1 hour, dude? We drew this triangle yesterday. We said, look, man, and what happened? Yesterday we were probably somewhere around here. We already taken this balance. We already found the support. We're probably around here yesterday. We went to the upper part of the triangle, which is good. Then we came back down. Touch support, and that's awesome. Now we're breaking it to the upside. That's good, man, right? By finding support at the 20. I like that. I like that a lot. Just hoping that we're not going to get a reversal happening here. Right? It's coming in higher, right? Higher, more positive, higher on the other side. Everything looks good right now, so... Look, low, high, negative, less negative. Low, lower, low. Right? Low, lower, low. Negative, more negative, low, lower. We don't have anything bullish, right? We're just... Sometimes it happens when we're in triangles, we're not creating anything against the oscillators. We're just trying to tighten in the range. And then we break. So we said we could be breaking soonish, right? And it's very that we get to pattern completion, and that's good. Now we broke out. I would have loved for this to have retested that resistance, right? That upper resistance line. At least come here, retest, and then take a balance. That would have been powerful. But let's say for what it is, it's a small breakout that's happening here on Ethereum. It's good. Not worried about it yet. At least not in the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, a little bit. Because the bearish divergence, and on the daily also a little bit. It could. That's why I'm saying I'm hoping that we're not going to get a reversal on Ethereum 1 hour chart. Because we have bearish divergence on the daily and on the 4 hour. Now with that said, where is it at here? It's sitting bought at 66.48 on the RSI. Let's go check out XRP. XRP. Alright, let's go to the daily first. Because we got a surprise in XRP, right? I got a little bit surprised. I got pleasantly surprised. I mean, it didn't amount to anything by the time I woke up, but, I was pleasantly surprised by XRP. Why are we pleasantly surprised? Well, we had bearish divergence. We moved down, right, as expected. Then we found support. We took a nice bounce. But, pleasantly because, we pulled back down everything that we pumped, right? The XRP yesterday, or today, right, on the 10th, it did go all the way out to a high of 26.47 cents, but it managed to lose it all and just closed at 25.44 cents. So it lost about a cent of power in a day. Today we're still going up. Or tomorrow, right, the 11th. It's opening up green. It's good. It's still going up slightly more. That's okay. I'm just sad that this pulled back down. I'm happy that we found support. Sad that we pulled down. That being said, high to low, coming in higher, right? Creating some of that hidden bearish within this same island. Right, look at this. Here we go, right? So on that, sitting neutral at 56.97 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour XRP high, low, positive is positive, high on the RSI to lower point. Everything's good, right? Nothing bearish. Do we have something bullish? I doubt it. I think we measured this yesterday and we didn't have anything. This was slightly lower. 112, 110. Also slightly less, right? And this was slightly lower. Did I miss this one yesterday, or did I miscall this one yesterday? What is this opening at? 24,685. 24,663. So slightly less. I think I missed this one yesterday. And it is 112 and 110. Right. So I can go in here slightly. So we're making some strong bullish divergence, right? Do we have it here? No, we're coming in lower. So that's fine. Let's say we're making some strong bullish divergence against the MACD, and that's why we took that small pop. It's okay. We didn't get to a 26-cent mark, right? XRP sitting at 25.58 cents. Neutral at 53.86 on the RSI. Let's go to 1 hour. Now here was my surprise yesterday. We were live, and we were calling for bearish divergence here, and we did. We moved down. That was great. You know, we got it to play. Moved down, hit the 20, found support, and then we took this massive bounce, dude. Massive bounce. It was a 4% hit in the bounce. We went up here, and then we pulled back, and then we started to move back down. So do we have something bearish? No. Low to high, so high, higher, high. Positive or positive high, and there's a hard point. It just got pulled back, dude. For some reason, XRP just pooped, and that's it. We don't have anything on the technicals here. On the 4 hours, I'm sure we didn't find anything bearish that we could account for or say this is why we're moving down it. So, you know, it's just being XRP, dude. It just bearishly moved down out of nowhere. I mean, it bullishly pulled up, which was great, and then probably a lot of people started selling. It's too good to be true. I need to get out of my XRP because you know, it's gonna crash again because it's XRP. And that's what it does. And then self-fulfilled prophecy, just price moves down, right? So it just looks like a lot of people move. Look at how many sell here, right? And the volume that we had. Look, this pump didn't have that much volume, but here on this fight we had a lot of volume, right? And then, you know, a lot of volume here as we're going down. So I'm happy with XRP now. Unchanging fact. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Every time we're going higher, right? Low, higher, low, higher, low. Negative, less negative, low, high, high, right? So that's good. Steve, XRP Foundation bought millions of dollars of XRP for some reason. Wow, I'll probably dump on us later on. Isn't that great? Oh, by the way, hi, Steve. I hadn't seen you, man. I didn't know you were here. Thanks for being here. That's it. We don't have anything bearish. We don't have anything bullish right now. Neutral, 52.27 on the RSI. So check out Litecoin. Litecoin on the daily. Bearish divergence, moving down. Finding support at the 20 yesterday. Beautiful. Taking a bounce today. Great, man. After hitting the 20, that's good. I'm happy with that. Neutral at 58.35 on the RSI. That's awesome, dude. You had not said anything like? Yeah, you had not said anything like. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had the bullish divergence. But I'm always lurking. Are you usually lurking? Yeah, you usually chat. I wasn't sure if you were here or not, but you usually chat. So we had bullish divergence, right? We were looking for it to take off. Didn't trigger here. That's fine. Still push back down a little bit more. 48, 44, still less, so we could go to there. And then here we're still coming lower, so we still had bullish divergence to here. And now we're taking that small pop, right, which is okay. Getting above the 20, which is nice. Neutral at 52.50 on the RSI. Nothing to call here. High, low, right? Negative here, so it's good. Let's go to the 1 hour Litecoin. Ew, what's happening with the 1 hour Litecoin? We hadn't developed much. Or had we? What? Why do I not have this drawn here, man? Why do I not have these drawn here? Did I not look at this the other day on the daily? Or is my chart not saving again? Because this is clear as day right now when I'm looking at this. Look at that, right? We don't have it here, but we had bearish divergence. Move down on that. Not sure. Now we create some strong bullish here, right? From here to here. From here to here, and then from here to here. So we created some of that strong bullish moment divergence. Price action to the upside, we got up, hit the 20, rejected slightly, pull back up again, and that's good. Now, am I worried about this slightly? Why? Because we're creating some hidden divergence. Probably why we're flagging though, right? And that's fine. We're going from here to here, and from here to a higher point, creating that hidden bearish. Potential moving down, give that moving down. Looks like we're getting green again. That's good. Usually reading some bullcrap for war. Waiting for some pullback to buy some more ADA. We'll look at ADA in a second. So again, neutral, right? At 58.09. On that note, let's go to Binance. You know, dude came yesterday telling me that my call was awesome on Link. Yeah, he played it out, going to targets, and he's not here today. Weird. Like, dude, that's something that weirds me out, dude. Like, if my calls are good, why am I struggling to have people come back to the show, right? I know, Steve, you're a regular. I know Andrew comes in daily almost. Nav's usually here but lurking. Jake's always here. Well, most of the time he's here. But he's working on other stuff, so he's just listening. He's an awesome supporter of the channel. But see, like, if my calls are good, if this entertaining or educational of some sort, like, why am I struggling to pick up more traction, dude, right? It's like, I'm at like 245 subs, dude. You know, it's just been there, like, one sub in the last 28 days. It's just insane, right? It's just weird, man, that I'm struggling so much to pick up more momentum with this show. You see, Jake's there. Haha, I knew it. We have 3 people watching. I'm not sure who the other one is, but someone's silent. Where's did I already move to Binance? Did I finish Litecoin? Yeah, I think I finished Litecoin. Yeah, finish Litecoin with that divergence. Let's go to Binance. You lost a few? Yeah, I know, dude. I've lost, I gained, I lost, I gained. That's it, dude. But, you know, I see other people that, you know, they're on Twitter. They go in, they started their YouTube channel. And then some dude tells, like, people, oh, go check this guy out. He just started his YouTube channel. Help him out get to 1,000 subs. And like that, dude, like in like hours, that guy has like 1,000 people, man. It's just weird how, you know, some of this stuff works. So, anyways, what's going on with Binance? Bearish divergence, move down, found support continuously. Rejecting the 20, I don't like that. We haven't developed anything. We've still developed nothing. Neutral at 48.08 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, some ideas we can talk about in Discord. One day it's too late and I took cold medicine already. So any options I give will be brutal right now. Those are the best options. You can put them on the Discord. That's fine. I like brutal options. I like the brutal truth. That's the best way to go. No point in sugarcoating stuff. I should start doing news on my off time. And like, you know, like I used to do the news before and then do the analysis. I should just do the news and just publish the news video. Maybe that will draw more people in. I'm not sure. I think more people come in here for the technicals than the news, though. At least that seemed to be the case. And a lot of people used to be leaving during the news, so, you know, weird. Anyways, what's going on here? Lower, lower, lower. Everything's lower here, so nothing bearish. Low, high. Low, high. Everything's good here also. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish, man. Again, just consolidating here. Starting to tighten on the Bollinger Bands. Above the 20, it's all good. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Binance at $28.50. Where's it at here on the 1 hour? Dude, hitting that 28.50, that's good. High, low, right? You can see this. This is just very, very slightly higher. It opened at 25.51. This is 20.45. So, you know, we had a 28.50. That's great. Slightly lower, lower, and sideways here. 59, 74, 60. So slightly higher. I'm not going to call this hidden bearish. It just looks sideways to me right now, to be fair. And, you know, we did move down slightly. Hit at 20. Taking a bounce. That's great. Neutral at 54.05 on the RSI. And on that note, that's going to be it for this, dude, for Binance. So let's go check out something else. Let's go check out DVT, man. Why not? Let's do DVT. We'll do Cardano afterwards, right? DVT at 2.7. Dude, RSR is recovering good right now, so I'm also going to talk about that. Because we're doing good there. Well, I'm still taking a massive hit, but we're doing good because we're recovering. So that means I'm closer to getting out and maybe try to get back into it again at a lower price. We'll see. RSI. Let's get the MACD out here as well. So get the MACD to be nice little bars in the green color, columns, or whatever you want to call this. I'm not sure we're going to have a lot going on here because it's just moving flat, right? So flat here on the bottom part, right? So we're just going here sideways like that. And then we're coming slightly. So type 2 bullish divergence, nothing against the RSI, that's fine. Just type 2 bullish divergence, it's enough for it right now. And let's go to the 4-hour chart. You're at what? I was gonna say don't make me actually ask you to do Cardano like a beggar. No, that's fine, dude. We know we gotta do Cardano. Higher, and higher. So nothing here. That's bullish, right? We had bullish here. We already called it. Played out. That's great. Well, it's just playing out. Let's go to the daily for DVT, man. Again, lower, and then less, right? So we had some bullish divergence, right? It just pulled back up a little bit. Again, this project, dude, if someone gets in here at whatever it's at right now, 2.7, whatever, and it goes to 5, you're just going to be, like, doubling extremely quickly. What? So if we go from here to, like, 5, right? Look at that, 89% gains. Is 5 doable? It's going to be a battle, dude, because right now we have a 1.47 million DVT wall to get up there. So, not too happy with that, to be fair. Let's go here. And then let's go to Cardano. Cardano. Oh no, what's going on with Cardano? On the daily, again, sideways motion, spinning top. Well, a little bit less, not too equal, right? We did pull back up slightly more. Spinning top, and then it's starting to go up slightly. So we have not done much. High to low, right? Here, short term, within the island, I wouldn't bank a lot on this because this could go up slightly and get rid of this. But right now, we would have hidden bearish. That's about it, though. Neutral at 56.27 on the RSI. Again, just consolidating, floating, trying to find and see where it's going to go. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's see if we get a better clue here. Again, it looks like we're tightening, right? High, lower high, lower high, low, higher low, higher low. High, lower high, lower high. Low, low, slightly higher low, and slightly higher low. So it's all good, right? Nothing here. Let's go to the 1-hour. Let's see, we might have something there, man. On the 1-hour, dude, we had this triangle that we were like talking about breaking or probably doing something with it. Right now, we're outside of it. Maybe I should just pinpoint this. We're trying to call for this to be a symmetrical triangle, or upsloping triangle, right? If we went there, that was one of the ways that we were looking at this. Something like that, maybe. That's one way to look at it, I guess. Right? Leave it the way we had it right now. But are we doing something high, low, positive is positive, high, there, set to lower point? No, nothing here on the 1-hour. Let's see, low, higher, low, negative. What was this? 28238, 26, slightly less. So higher, less negative, and the higher on the other side. Nothing bullish, right? Again. That's why I was saying like symmetrical triangle, right? Here, although it just went slightly higher, that's what's screwing it up right now. But could go here. And, there we go, something like that. Do I like that? No, I think it could be better drawn, but it should be okay for now. And then this could go here, maybe. Yeah. Something like this. Who knows, right? That's just a thought that I'm playing around with on Cardano. Again, just consolidating, right? That's what we've been getting with a lot of crypto. Neutral on the RSI at 55.15. It's just right now it's gonna be a coin toss, right? If Bitcoin goes bullishly to the upside, we might be okay. If Bitcoin moves down, I think it could take crypto down with it. You know, at least the coins could stay stable while Bitcoin pumps, and then they try to play off. A lot of these coins have been sort of doing their thing while Bitcoin has been frozen. Just sideways motion on Bitcoin, and some of those projects have been moving. Look at RSR, dude. RSR took a massive move to the upside. Look, RSR almost getting us to the next target. Right? These targets are not lies, dude. They are for reals. That's my targets for exit. So we're still off by a bit, but we got fairly close, right? We got to a high of 1.89 cents, and my target is at 1.98. So not too far off. Not awfully far. Now, do we have something that I don't like? Yes, we have some bearish divergence starting to build here. Yeah, we hadn't called this yesterday because we didn't have it. So look, we're going higher. We're coming lower. Again, this is starting to develop, right? Do we have it here? 64, 43, 63. Yes, also coming in. So strong bearish divergence starting to develop. This finding support here and taking a bounce, hitting that area, would likely get rid of the divergence here against the RSI. We're very likely going to keep it against the MACD, and that could move us down again to take a breather and then try to rally up to here, and then from here we could start crashing down again. I would be looking to exit most of my position here. I took a little bit exit here, take a little bit more exit here, and then a more exit here. Then if it moves down, I might look for another in just in case it wants to rally to the upside again. That's going to be my play here. Bought at 62.77. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So I'm still holding Bitcoin in the last position that I got in. I'm okay with that. Now, something to worry about here. Yes, same thing. Look. Coming higher. Look, this was a couple days ago, right? November the 7th. Actually, the downside. Fund support at 20. Fund support at 20. Took that bounce. Great, man. Awesome stuff. I love that when we find support and we take off, right? That's what dreams are made of. Support and bounces. Bouncy castles. Bouncy castles with the, like in the men's show, trampolines, right? Old school reference, by the way. Anyways, higher, lower, lower. Bearish divergence, action to the downside, right? That's what we're starting to develop here. So my target might not be reached, right? I would be looking for a target here. Might not get it because we have the bearish divergence. We could move down to 20. We'll see. We're overbought at 72.16 on the RSI. So a little bit sad that we might not get the target, but you know, we got close enough, dude, right? I might be taking a little bit more profit here, but we'll see. That note, let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have here? Let's find good news. Good news bears. Higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. That's great. Short-term bearish. Don't like that. All right, look higher. I'm going over data. I know. I can't help it. That's where we're going to have to go right now. Hello. Hello, right? Bearish divergence. Action to downside. Moving down to that. Finding support at our fifth note here. I believe that might be the 382. Let's zoom out here a little bit more. This is from the daily though. Yeah, 382 from the daily, right? And we're heading back, and we managed to get above our old 100%, which is good, right? That was our target. We did a deep retrace to that 786. We took that nice bounce, recovered over 100%, which is good. Now I'm looking for a retest of that 1618 here on the shorter time scale, which we're not going to see it because it's going to be to the downside. But I should alternate this and see if I can get this to go up, right, and show there. But so far, I'm going to be looking for a local high now here, and now use this as the low and say from 0 to 100%. See where we go. That's it for RSR, though. It did very, very nice yesterday. It got nice gains, dude. It took a nice pump here. It gained, I'll tell you. It gained 19%. So right now, if I were to exit, I would be taking about a 40 change hit here, where it's at right now. So 48, maybe. 43% hit, 44% hit, 4% off, not that bad. So I don't want to exit there. I want to exit part of my position where I want to, which is here. I'm not sure if we're gonna get it though. So that would be a 36% hit, much better, right? Recovering 8 points from what's at right now. And then the last part, I would be exiting here, and I would just be taking a lesser hit, right at 26. So if I would have gotten in here at the bottom, this would have been a take profit area, and I would have probably exited most of the position here because I wouldn't have a lot of risk, right? I would have gotten low, rode it, exit a lot of the position there, took that move down, maybe would have re-entered somewhere around here about getting above the 20 and then take that ride, then exit again, and then, you know. But that's not my play. My play is trying to recover a lot of the hit that I took. So on that note, one quick second, guys. I'm back. The wife surprised me with some very nice coffee. Ain't that great? And it's my State of Crypto mug. Yay. I got this when I did the news. Because I wanted to feel like a news anchor. Weird. Like a proper newsman. Yeah, we're doing the news. Is my volume off? No, my volume is on. Great. I thought I was talking to myself. And I was like, people are gonna be weird because I'm like doing this little like motion, and they're not gonna know what I said. So, on that note, my pepper plants are doing good, man. I have like a small jungle behind the desk. I rearranged everything, so it's pretty cool. I have a lot of plants there, so I need watering now because they're starting to shrivel a little bit because I'm bottom feeding, but it's good, man. Yeah, dude. I've had this mug since I started doing this at Crypto, man. As soon as I get the Lago, I went and got this. Am I holding Link or Yiffy? No, neither, man. Sorry about that. I do the review from them, Fredo, so I can look at them if you want. But we've done reviews for Link a while back, so daughter's crying. Something happened to her. I think the wife's gonna check on her. But dude, sorry, Fredo. I don't look at those. I mean, I do look at those. I don't hold them. Yeah, I can. I do Yiffy for Andrew and Link also. So let's go do Link first, if you don't mind, and then we'll look at Yiffy and see where they are. Yay! It's getting above a fib. Great, great. What's going on in the daily? Right, we had bearish divergence. We're looking for this, hoping it might not play out, but we're still having it. Right, look, high to low still. Right on the MACD. We're still coming in higher, so bearish divergence still there. We still have it against the RSI, so just gotta be careful, right? Like I said, there's a chance that if this keeps on pumping, we're gonna get rid of it, particularly getting above the 382, which is fine, right? That was a fib from the low to the high, right? We're retracing, so that's fine. Have we found support there? No, we haven't moved that much down, so that's great, man. Trying to move higher, just sitting bought at 63.43 on the RSI, so that's good. Eyes and then sad face. Why are your eyes and sad face, Steve? Let's go to the 4 hour. I think she's crying because my wife's on the phone and she's talking with her sister, and then she always wants to get on the phone and talk with her aunts. So she's weird. Look, remember how we said we're anchoring here to a negative? We really want to anchor to a positive. Look, now we got it. We got a wish. Careful what you wish for. We're still slightly higher, right? Now we're anchoring from here to here for reals. Now that move wasn't off though. We did move down and hit here at the 20, right? So that's fine. And then here we're still moving less. So we still have strong bearish divergence against Link on the 4 hour chart. Great! Hooray, man. Still playing. We might move down from there. Short time scale fibs here on the 4 hour chart, right? From low to high, or yeah, short time scale fibs I think we had here. Yeah, from low to high we're tracing to from high to low, sorry. We're tracing to that 50% almost, right? We're on target to go for that 50% after getting above that 382. And that's great, man. Again, things are good here on Link. Just sitting bought at 62.01. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. They're playing the piano. check this out here. Higher, then lower. Lower. We are now, we're going lower. So we're creating bearish divergence, right? A strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside. Starting to move down there. Where are we going to go? Likely at 20. That would be a good target to hit support. Neutral right now, 58.69 on the other side. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Everything's good there. Nothing bullish building up. Again, just market's bullish overall, right? Overall crypto conditions in the market is bullish. So that's what we're seeing everyone still pump and not caring much for bearish divergence. Remember, when there's bullish, when we're in a bull trend, the bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So I'm not worried about them yet. If we lose it here, right, which would be weird because as you can tell, we have some wicks here. So we might find some support also here from like back here. But if we lose this area, we could be looking for a retest of $12.29. That'll be one of our Fibs notes here. I think it will be the 382, because we're heading to a 50. And again, sitting at $13.20. That's great, man. I think Andrew was looking for an exit somewhere. I can't remember where. But look, this is very nice though, right? But again, look, this one I'm worried about with Bitcoin, right? I'm going to use this coin real quick to exemplify this real quick. I'm going to ignore some of this noise here. But look at this, right? We're parabolic, and then we got massive crash. Right, look, we're in parabolic and massive crash. Bitcoin. Going parabolic. Struggling. How are we going to get our massive crash? See where I'm going with this? Well, I'm worried a little bit that we're flagging, we're consolidating. It don't look too tight or too pretty. It's just sideways motion though, and it looks like we're struggling to gain on this. So if we lose it, we could be looking for that pullback, and that pullback could get us to 13,000, could get us to like 12,000. Dude, it could be nasty. So hoping we're not gonna lose that hard. On that note, let's go to Yiffy because it also got requested. So. Yiffy, right? Or Wi-Fi, or however you guys want to call it. Who cares, dude? It's just a freaking coin. To call it Yiffy or Wi-Fi. They should like give you pronunciations next to the coin name so we know how to call the coin. It's just up to like interpretation, right? X Y Y Wi-Fi. Here it is, Wi-Fi to the dollar. 18,886. Great. 11,000 Cardano to 7 cents, please. Or 6 cents. That's what you're hoping for. It doesn't have much pull like you want to get. If it goes to that level, I would probably get in. Your bags need to be packed. If it goes to that level, 6 cents, I might buy more Cardano. I actually buy Cardano. I'm not holding it right now. I want to get Cardano. Bitcoin 11,000, you mean? All right. Oh, dude. Yeah, that's not going to be pretty. Right? A lot of people could go bearish and dump, right? You got to remember Bitcoin, fear and greed, right? Extreme greed. We tend to crash when we're high on extreme greed, so I'm just being extremely cautious. That move could be quick and could be down, going down. Again, we have steps where I'm hoping that we're going to find support. But the crash, dude, the crashes are nasty. They're nasty beasts. If you're right, we had the bullish divergence. Action to the upside, that's great. We find resistance here at 17,706. We got above it yesterday. Now we're going up and hitting resistance at the 618. Fib note here at 19,000 and change. We did get to high of 19,329. We had that fib note at 19,461. So we're in $100. 100 and change. That's fine. That's close enough right now for the value of this project at 18,887. Andrew was looking for that move up. I hope he got it, man. I told him not to exit. I said, look, man, it just has something I'm not liking, but it can still go up, and it's going up still, so that's great. Sitting bought 65.45. Let's go to the 4 hour. I think we had some bearish divergence, right? Look, we're looking for that bearish divergence. I said it's starting to develop, remember? Look, it's starting to develop. It can go in building. It could go higher. We're still going to have it. I remember what I said yesterday. We're still going to have it even if we get to these levels. We also have a resistance here at 19,506. Great. We're going to that area. Look, boom. Right, we're going there. Now we're tracking that to there, and this tracks something to there. And we still have strong bearish divergence. We haven't gotten rid of it. That's why I said don't close your position, right? That's why I said it's okay Just be mindful, right? That's why I tell you guys, be careful. Just because we have it doesn't mean it's gonna go down immediately. It's just we gotta keep on watching. This was the first candle that we're getting last night on Yiffy. So if you were taking a position in Yiffy and you were here, I think you got it at 17,300. That's what he said. So he's taking already some good dough in. 17,300. Let's go there. I'm just gonna round it off. So 17,300, and let's go to where it's at right now and see what it tells me. Around the 9% gains in a day, bro. That's good enough, right? Not a lot of people see that, so that's great. Awesome stuff, right? On that note, overbought, bearish divergence. We might start to move down now, so just be careful. On the 1 hour. 1 hour later. Look, on the 1 hour, we were here last night. No, November the 10th. It's from November the 9th. Here, we were here, right? We were like on that move. We didn't have anything bearish, right? That's why I was like saying, look, we can still go up. We don't have anything bearish on the 1 hour. Just watch out for the 4 hour when it kicks in. But look at what we have now, right? We're gonna go here. I'm gonna ignore this one because it's just one bar stepping away, and then I'm just gonna go to here, and then I'm gonna go from here to here, and say, looky here, ma, bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence for price action to downside. So strong bearish divergence now on the 1 hour, which we didn't have yesterday. Now we have it. We have strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour, and we have nothing on the daily. We're good. So shorter time scales could move this down a little bit. That's what I'm looking for a move down here. Maybe for a retest of 17,767. Right, that'll be okay for Yiffy. So good, man. Thank you, Fredo, for asking. I hope you're still with us. I'm not sure if you left or not, but you went silent afterwards. So radio silent. It's not sure, bro. I hope you liked it. Great stuff happening here at the State of Crypto. Stay tuned. If you like what we do, hit that like that bell and that sub, right? And follow us on YouTube also. Subscribe to our channel. You will become filthy rich someday. If you're smart and you play good with the market, you'll be filthy rich someday. No promises, right? Depends on you. Again, guys, I just give you my interpretation of the market, right? It doesn't mean it has to be right. It's just what I'm seeing. And when I don't see anything, I tell you guys I don't see anything. And sometimes it could go to the upside, sometimes it could go to the downside. That's why I tell you both sides of the equation, right? Now you can, to the upside, you know what's going to happen. To the downside, you also know what's going to happen. Yay, you're covered. Dude, thank you, Fredo, for that awesome sub, dude. Or follow. Great, man. Yeah, no worries. If you don't follow, you have any questions, let me know, and we'll, go in detail. But, yeah, it's the whole point of the show, dude. Education and entertainment. Neiman ETN, if I'm up for it. Sure, Steve. No worries, man. Just let me write them down, because I try to keep track of what we looked at. So, what did Yiffy do? Neiman ETN. Shovi's into Nim, dude. I think he was taking a hit. He came in here the other day. He requested Nim. So we'll do Nim for you, Steve, and for Chobi, who's not here today. He says he usually lurks, so I'm not sure. And then Nav says he sometimes lurks. So, where's Nim? Isn't it great, dude? Like, coffee kicks me up in a minute, and then as soon as I finish it, I just go to sleep and I have no problem. So, it doesn't really mess around with my sleeping schedule. That's awesome, dude. I love coffee. Also, I'm drinking this nice hot cup of joe, caffeinated. Oh, it's so good, man. Yeah, I remember the name, dude. I didn't like it yesterday when I was looking at it. Or yesterday or 2 days ago. Bearish divergence moving down. Again, nothing to do there. High, low, right on, dude. So we're creating some strong bearish divergence, right? I didn't like this freaking candle, I think. Whenever I did this last time. I'm not sure if it was 2 days ago. Going higher. We don't have anything against the RSI. We just bought at 64.48. Again, high, higher high. Positive, less positive. Creating strong bearish divergence for potential movement down. We're not seeing this come too strong. We might have something on the shorter time scales that might be inhibiting the pump on Nimic. But Nim found support at 18 and change, right? I think we drew that last time we were looking at it. And we said, look, if we lose this, If we lose this, we're in hell because we dropped to this level, right? We don't have anything here until 1 or like 0.1 cent. So not even a cent, right? Like a tenth of a cent. Right now it's sitting at 0.2 cents, 0.28 cents, so 28% of a cent. It's easy, dude, when we look at things like that, right? So anyways, that's it. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. I don't like this, though. Look at this. We're going higher every time. Right, higher. And every time we go higher, we come lower, man. Oh, dude, what accent should I do? Also, dude, for some reason I just started doing weird accents sometimes, but that's fine, dude. Who cares? Going higher, coming lower and lower, right? New bought at 64.81 on the RSI. So on that note, bearish divergence, strong potential moving down. You know, not liking this. We might move down, hit that 20 to find support. That 20 being at 0.25 cents. So that could be a move. Might reset this slightly, and then we try to go on a rally. Last we had was this hit bullish, which is from the 1 hour. It's not showing up here, so forgot to anchor this yet. When was this? On the 7th. I'm not sure when we looked at this last, but whenever we did. Didn't anchor it. So let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. What do we have there? First of all, we have the stuff from the daily that I forgot to anchor. You hate it when I forget to anchor stuff. I do. Right, so we had the bullish. Took that nice rally. Now, high, low, right? Low, high. Here we can find some hidden bearish, though. From back here. To here. Look on the RSI, boom, hidden bearish. Actually, the downside. Here, I'm not going because we have islands. And divergence on the MACD, you want to go from one island to the next. You don't want to be skipping over islands. Unless they're like this. You might want to skip over something like this. It's just one bar. Could be an anomaly. You can skip over that. But look at this, right? Whether or not we skip over this anomaly and we go from here, we're still going to a lower point. So let's go from here to here. Keeping it clean, man. Keeping it PG-13, man. Still coming in higher, right? Here we're going lower. So we don't have anything against the RSI. Don't have anything against RSI neutral at 60. Sorry, bought at 60.17. So we have strong bearish divergence, man. Do I like that? No, because now we have strong bearish divergence on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, and on the daily on Nimiq. So just let me confirm on the daily. Yeah, on the daily also. Strong. So potential moving down. The 20 here is much closer at 0.27 cents. On the 4 hours at 0.25. And then on the daily, it's at 0.23. So 0.02 cent difference on each move. So am I going to fib this? No point in fibbing it. We're not making a valid retrace from the high to the low. So no point in having fibs for NIM. Not yet. On that note, we had another request for ETN. You're down like 45% on NIM. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure why. I can tell you, man. I mean, it's up to you, bro. I mean, could still go up slightly more, and still create that bearish divergence. But, dude, this is a tough call for NIM. Mainly because you have bearish divergence on a lot of time scales. So you got to get rid of a lot of bearish divergence. Not only on the daily, not only on the 4 hour, but also on the 1 hour. Right, look at this. You need to take a massive pump on the 4 hour. Right? You need to go insanely high for this to like go at least and get above this high, and on the RSI to also get above this high. And you no longer have anything. So it's going to be a lot of effort. I'm not sure if this has it in right now. So movement down could be okay. Look, we just gap down and open up. Great. Here, it'll probably be much easier to get rid of it if I go from back here, which is what I should have done. Not here. We would still have that, right? So I'll just go from here because for some reason I didn't put it here. But it's good that we're going back and we're revising, right? Because sometimes I forget to do stuff. But there we go. Right, bearish divergence. Actually, the downside. Boom. Right. We could move down. Be careful with Nimiq. ETN. That was the other one. Entertainment News Television, ETN. I'm not sure what ETN is short for, by the way. ETN to the dollar. Let's go on the daily, man. Was it the... Was this the last... No, this is ETC. ETN... Yeah, I think it's the only one we have. So, yeah, we'll go with this. On the daily, bearish divergence. Action to downside. We've been breaking down since. Now, do we have something? Yes, we finally developed something. Yesterday. On this. Small move down. Right. We're creating some strong bullish. And from here to here. Look at that. Strong bullish divergence. Action upside. Good stuff. Yay. Let's be happy. We're starting to move up. We might go to that 20, right? ETN sitting at 0.4 cents. 0.43 cents. So the 20 is at 4.4. So it's not that high. We could easily get there. It's almost 4.5 to be fair. So we'll give that. Sitting neutral at 40.66. So that's great. All right. We have some strong bullish divergence. We were sold. We're now neutral. Let's see if we can keep it going. Let's go to the 4 hour. Two 274 19. Oh, dude, yes. Lower. I'm liking this better than the other coin that we're looking at, right? Nimic. And I'm liking this because it has strong bearish divergence here. Also, look at this, boom. We don't have it against the RSI. That's fine. We have it against the MACD, so there's a chance we're going up. We did go up. Hitting that 20. We're trying to get above it. If we reject the 20, we're going to go lower. Might anchor again, right? Create some strong bearish divergence, some strong bullish divergence for a new action to the upside. On rejection of the 20. But if we get above the 20, we could be looking for a movement up, and that's going to be good. Now, neutral, 49.02 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart. Something's chatting. Someone's chatting. ETN is one of those projects that has everything going for it except the price movement. Right, I would say the same about DVT, man. DVT has a lot going for it. It's just the price not there, man. Do we have something? Yes, hidden bearish. How do we know? Well, high to low, high to low, and then we're going from low to high on the positive momentum, right? We're making more positive momentum. Look at this. Boom, right? Hidden bearish, action downside. We might start to move down or continue to the downside. Now we also have it against the RSI, right? And so hidden bearish, not necessarily like that. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on their side to a lower point. Shorter though, right? On this small move. Boom. Bam. Blam, right? We don't have it against RSI, but we had some strong bullish. Actually the upside, rejected the 20, but failing to go lower than the previous low. Right? Interpret that as being bullish and rally. Good stuff. So great, man. Not so bad for ETN, right? Electroneum. Yes, welcome to the chat. Yo, so what else you guys want to look at? So, well, you come up with the next coin. I'm gonna sneakily start looking at gold and silver, and then markets and oil, and I'll check out whatever you guys have requested by then. And if there's no requests, we'll call this a mighty stream over. And we'll see what we do next. But gold, man, let's go on the daily. It looks like it just flatlined a little bit, right? So yeah, moved up slightly, 0.81% today, recovering also, very little. That's okay. We, dude, we have something great. We didn't have anything yesterday. We have something today. It's awesome. We can chart it. We can chart it. Strong bullish. We don't have it against RSI, so there's a potential for action to. No, we also have it against RSI. Sorry. The potential for action to the upside, that's great. Sitting at $1,879 per ounce. Now let's go here on silver. Nope, silver doesn't have anything. Higher, positive, less positive maybe. Let's see. We might have hidden bearish or something. Let's see. 167, 175, slightly higher. It's all good. Silver doesn't have a lot. Recovering, but not as good. Hitting the 20 yesterday, rejecting. Hitting the 20 again today. So you got $24.35 per troy ounce. Doesn't have a lot going on here on bullish divergence. So that's okay. President-elect Spectre 9. What's up, dude? Steve saying gold took a hit today. No, gold took a hit 2 days ago. Look at that. On the 9th. Today is the 10th. It didn't take that much of a hit. Dow Jones. Dow Jones, man. Bearish, right? Moving down. That's great. Previous all-time high, it's here. So, it's okay. Moving down slightly. Look, we gap down, pull back up. That's okay, right? We have that bearish divergence. At least we had it here. Now we don't have it till today, unfortunately. So if I want to anchor to here, we'll go in higher, and then we don't have anything. I'll leave this as it is, right? Again, recovering to all-time highs on the Dow Jones at 29,420 points. Dow Live, where's it at? Still pumping a little bit more again, rejecting the all-time highs. That's okay. Now here we're going higher. Here we're going higher and higher. So we don't have anything here. It's just bought at 67.53 on the RSI. Could we go down? I'm not sure, man. I think the Dow might still run a little bit more, at least while this whole presidential debacle settles. Seems that the market has taken positive to Biden's and in the election, right? Look, markets on the election, right? October the 30th. October the 30th was last. When was this? October the 30th, man. It was on Saturday, right? And then we had elections, right? So, no, October 30th was, Saturday. We had elections, so, no, the 2nd, right? And then, look, elections, and then we had a stop on the 6th of Friday. And then, kept on running. So, good stuff, right? Great, man. This is off. This shouldn't be October the 30th. Oh, snaps. No, this was Friday, dude. October has 31 days. I just lost count for a second. So pre-elections we recovered, and then elections, right, and just going up. So it's taken okay to elections, right? I was worried it's going to crash, but I do believe we're going to do for a crash on the markets. We'll see. Second wave of COVID coming in, etc. We'll see how that affects the economies. And there's this whole articles about the disconnect between Main Street and Wall Street, right? How Wall Street's still going up, but the economy and everything is in the shitter. So, there's a whole bunch of things going on around that. So you can even read articles on main journals like the Wall Street Journal, etc., that are talking about this disconnect from Wall Street to Main Street, where the economy is not that great, but markets are still pumping, right? It's just weird. So, and how the Fed's becoming one of the main holders of the markets, etc., etc. So bearish divergence on the S&P. What happened here? Well, we closed here. We gapped up on the opening, and we pulled back down bearishly, showing the bearish sentiment that's out there. And do we have something here? Yes, look, still slightly lower. So we're still creating that bearish divergence. Losing 4 points, not a lot. London down 202 points on what? Bearish divergence. Let's go there. Have it. We don't have it here against RSI, but against the MACD, bearish divergence. Actually, downside. We dropped a lot yesterday, right? 278 points today, dropping 300 points. So 3% yesterday, 3.50 exchange percent today. Wow. Neutral at 40.23 on the RSI, barely breaking below 20. Not good, right? Yesterday we broke below 20. We said we're going to test, and test we did. Nikkei up 65 points. Again, Nikkei I'm starting to not like. It's going up too quickly. All right, look, too quickly. Overbought at 73.93. Nothing on the short term. So it's okay. It's cleared for moving up, but I do believe we're going to do for a move down. Higher. Then here we're also coming in higher. I don't think we're going to have this going on still, right? We don't have it if we change it. So I'll leave it to where we had it. I doubt this is going to keep on going for the S&P. For Toronto, sorry. The TSX. And we'll see what happens there. West Texas oil managed to go up today. Great. Oil taking great to the news. Again, look, finding support down here, taking that bounce above the 20, getting above the 20, taking that bounce. And today, trying to go up slightly more, but finding resistance at 42.10 on West Texas. That is fine. We knew we were going to be in a channel when we are, right? That's fine. Higher, positive, high on the other side to a higher point, nothing bearish. All good. Let's go to Brent. Brent oil is behaving similarly at $44.04. Higher, more positive, higher on the other side. Everything's good. Just bought at 60.40. But just barely hitting that bot area. So it's all good, bro. Fredo. I'm kind of panic sold Link when it hit 13.97. And you missed the Wi-Fi bull run. Yeah, it's okay, bro. We all miss bull runs. It's all good. There's so many coins out there. You cannot track all of them. Sorry if I didn't see your comment earlier, bro. I was just in the zone talking about this stuff. You're a crypto noob, but you're not sure What's your next move? Well, stick with us, dude. We have a good crew here of people. Join us on the Discord. Steve's telling you to buy ADA. Again, nothing that you'll see here. It's gonna be advice. Right? Just let's get that clear. Just on the Discord. Sorry if I didn't reply earlier, Fredo, but I got a little bit in the zone talking about oil and the other markets. I just wanted to get through that so we can go back to crypto. On that note, sub to us on YouTube also if you want. Join us on Discord. I can link you to YouTube there, or you can find the link there to the YouTube channel and subscribe as well. We want to grow on YouTube also. So I mean, I'm on a lot of platforms, right? I'm kind of like spreading the net. Steve saying no advice, but if you don't buy ADA, you'll regret it forever. Yeah, I doubt it, man. There's a lot of projects, bro. I mean, don't be pressured into buying anything. You already subbed? Awesome, bro. Great. I know you followed on Twitch. That's awesome. You could start a Cardano evangelist. Yeah, dude. We have a good crew. You might not see the whole chat. You're going to see the small chat here on the bottom part of the screen. But you're not going to see the whole thing because, the chat from Twitch, doesn't come into YouTube, etc. But you'll see the mixed chat here below. I'm not sure how easy it is to read. I hope it's good enough size. I cannot do much here with this. Before, we used to just stream on YouTube. But since my account got banned on the Crypto Purge, then I got recovered. I'm still dealing with this. But yeah. Fredo, I'm here too. Awesome, bro. Great. You're going to see the whole chat here. That's good, man. Thanks for the sub. Thanks for the follow. And thanks for that. Being here and the awesome likes. Do those other things that are going to pop on the screen. You're new. You haven't seen the show. Do those other things. No worries, bro. I mean, this is a channel for new people to come in. To have questions, right? We are going to try to answer them to the best of our abilities. My abilities. People in the chat might be able to help you also. Crypto is a large world. There's so many things out there. Steve pushing you to buy ADA. ADA, I think I said be careful with. Can't remember what I said for ADA. Let's go see it real quick. It's going to be easy, dude. Jake's just going to tell you to stay away from XRP and buy anything else. Steve's going to tell you to go into ADA, hardcore. We'll see. We had bearish divergence for ADA, right? So look, hidden. I mean, like I said, that could go up, right? I mean, I'm not calling it a legit one yet, but we have that. Now, what do we have here? Nothing. We're starting to consolidate, right? If you remember, we talked about that. And then on the 1 hour, we said, look, we're trading within this sort of rising triangle. So, we're just floating sideways right now. So we don't have a lot going on for ADA. ADA is a little bit on the fence, right? It's a ball that's sitting right on the net. Could go either way. Wait till 79 cents. Probably that would be a good in. 79 cents might be a good in for ADA, actually. You're not wrong when you say that. So I'll give you credit there. On that note, yeah. We're live every night. Well, almost every night, but mostly every night. At 9 p.m. Central. And join us on the Discord, right? The link's in the description on the YouTube channel. You can join us on the Discord. And I need to make those little icons for Twitch, right? I haven't really put a lot of effort into Twitch channel, mainly because I'm focused more on the YouTube. And then Twitch, it's my, let's say, a secondary outlet. But yeah, dude. Anyways, it depends on how hard Bitcoin drops. Yeah, dude, I know. Right. Honestly, you think ADA can get to like $5 by the end of next year? Oh, dude, no way. I doubt it. I mean, it depends on whether or not they launch certain things and how the market takes that. But if Bitcoin's crashing and we're in a bear trend, by then, it's not going to matter. I think DBT can go to $1. And you can buy that for like a fraction of a cent right now. For like 0.03 or 0.04. I like this track. It's happy. Again, look, this is going from here to here, where it has been right in the past. Could be good. So, yo, right. So, you know, I'm like curious about how I'm curious about how the what do you call this, dude? The MTFs are working, dude. Because it seems to be like the stupidest stuff seems to pick up a lot of value, right? Like trading cards that are not real trading cards for any game of Vitalik Buterin. That's sold as art. It sells hardcore, man. What the fuck, really? And then you see real art that's like worth it, and it's super cheap, bro, and it doesn't sell. So I'm not sure why some stuff sells here. Like most of those like little cards sell hardcore on the NFTs, right? So dude, I'm trying to figure out that market. I really want to get more NFTs out there. Dude, I sold some. They were good. I'm profitable, right? I made more by selling NFTs than what I've spent to mint them. So it's good. But, you know, it's just freaking weird how that works. But GeoGen is launching early next year native token smart contracts. And Marl is a drag and drop smart contracts creator. So we're going to see how that works, man. I can tell you XRP is coming out with Flare, right? With not them, but Flare Network's coming out with Spark. So I do believe XRP might be getting a movement up on adoption, on the fact that people are going to be wanting to get some Flare or some Spark, and they might be buying just so they can claim the Spark to dump it in the market, get some free dough, and then maybe dump the XRP. So that's what my thoughts are for XRP for December, at least till December the 12th, when the snapshot gets taken. People are going to start adding XRP or accumulating XRP so they can have more to claim. And then they're going to sell it as soon as that snapshot's taken or as soon as they claim their Spark. Sell their Spark, sell their XRP, be out of those coins, and take profits, right? Or take, money. And that's what I'm looking for, right? I think that's what I'm going to be doing. I want to wait for that Spark to happen, for that split to happen. Take the Spark, get rid of my XRP, probably. And get rid of my Spark, and then use that for trading something else or buying something else. We'll see how that works out, though. On that note, anything else you guys want to look at? I don't think anything else popped up, so we're just shooting the shit. Let's say wasting the time right now. I got dude, my Ethereum that I got for free, and I spent a lot, by the way, minting other stuff. It's worth $57, and I sold like 3 NFTs, bro. That's weird. Big things with Cardano. How many people develop on projects? Yeah, dude, that's gonna be key. If they manage to become better than Ethereum and cheaper than Ethereum, I think they have a shot at going higher, right? Native tokens is better than the ERC20, but only if they get adopted by more people. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? I think that's just a point I was driving. It's going to heavily depend on adoption and how many people start using it. And if they're cheaper and better and faster than Ethereum, then yes, they have a fighting chance. Otherwise, Ethereum's still going to be king. But you think about it. At some point in time, this is going to become a game where once you get adoption by industries or by companies, it's going to be extremely hard to get them to leave you, right? Because they got to integrate with your network, with your blockchain. So if you're talking to some of these companies about changing contracts later on to another network, like Ethereum or Cardano or something else from where they're at, for them it's just going to recover. It's going to like basically mean a lot more of integration work that they have to do. So if they don't want to spend that money, they're going to keep it on whatever blockchain they're on. So whoever's bringing in more companies right now has a fighting chance. And Ethereum does have the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance, and there's a lot of companies in there, including Microsoft and other ones that are working with Ethereum to get stuff going on there, and that could be key for Ethereum over Cardano in the long term. Ethereum could be for the big companies and Cardano for the smaller companies, sure, but if a small company wants to do business with a big company, they're very likely going to have to go to Ethereum to do it. It's gonna be a numbers game, basically who gets more adoption. On that note, I think we're going to call it a stream for tonight. We've been live for about an hour and 20 minutes. It's a good stream so far. Thank you all for being here, by the way. Interestingly enough, On Cardano, you can pay with native tokens, so you need to buy ADA once your token gets big enough. Yeah, that works. In Ethereum, the bad thing is that you always have to use Ethereum to pay gas fees, right? Yeah, for sure, Ethereum has a gas start. Yeah, dude, I don't. I think you're a little bit behind on the stream. People might be a little bit behind on the stream, but yeah, you do drive a good point that you can pay with your own token instead of using Cardano. On Ethereum, you always have to use Gwei to pay the fees, so you got to use gas, and that's just what ruins the experience because you always have to have Ethereum to be able to do something on the Ethereum network, which sucks. Anyways, y'all, guys, thank you for being here. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. Again, this is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Tuesday night. By the way, I noticed today that I said Tuesday yesterday when it was Monday. So my brain was, I don't know, weirded out for some reason. So yesterday I was talking like it was Tuesday when it was actually Monday. Today it is Tuesday. I know for a fact because I had a meeting. Wow. Steve saying it will depend on the Ethereum 2.0. Yeah, it's going to be key also. But thank you for being here again, for reals. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for following, thank you for being awesome people here. If you like what we do, hit the like, that button, that sub. Again, talk to crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. That's going to be all for tonight, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.